Ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle? Look no further than the original Nutribullet. This powerhouse appliance holds the secret to transforming ordinary foods into superfoods through nutrient extraction. Say hello to a world of nutritious smoothies, effortlessly and deliciously delivered straight to your body. Fuel your body with the goodness it craves. The Nutribullet effortlessly blends fruits, vegetables, liquids, and more into nutritious smoothies that are packed with essential nutrients. Unlock the true potential of your food and treat your taste buds to a symphony of flavors, all in one sip. Empower your daily blend with the original Nutribullet's impressive 600-watt motor. From succulent strawberries to vibrant spinach, this blender can handle it all, turning your ingredients into a smooth and sippable concoction of nutritional bliss. Simplicity meets innovation in the Nutribullet's essential design. It's a device you'll find yourself reaching for every day. Just push, twist, and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Elevate your morning routine or enjoy a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up in no time. Health without the hassle, that's the Nutribullet promise. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Embrace a nourishing lifestyle without the added stress of tedious cleanup. The original Nutribullet comes with everything you need to kickstart your journey towards healthier choices. In the box, you'll find a 600W motor base, an extractor blade, a 24-oz cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book, your guide to creative and nutritious smoothie combinations. Rest assured that the Nutribullet is crafted to North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring reliability and safety as you prioritize your well-being.